Hello everyone, welcome to AI Printify. I'm Steven. This video I'm going to show you how to set up DeepSeek R1 on a laptop. Before I show you the actual demonstration on the steps, let my AI agent Kay to quickly walk you through the 3 simple steps.
Thanks, Stephen. Hi there, I'm Kay. Nice to meet you all here. I'm going to walk you through the 3 simple steps to set up a chatbot locally. Step 1. Enable the laptop's NVIDIA GPU. For AI workloads, GPU or graphics processing unit is essential for 3D gaming, but we will use the GPU to handle the heavy computations required by AI model. Here's how to do it. Simply install the NVIDIA Cuda driver. Go to the official NVIDIA website and download the latest Cuda driver that's compatible with the RTX GPU. This step ensures your laptop is ready to handle AI workloads efficiently. If you don't have NVIDIA GPU, don't worry. You can skip this step and proceed to next step, but performance will be much slower. Step 2. Install Ollama Transformer and DeepSeek R1 model. Ollama is a platform designed to facilitate the deployment and management of large language models, LLM. It provides tools and infrastructure to run models like DeepSeek R1 locally on your own hardware, offering more control over data privacy and customization compared to cloud-based solutions. Step 3. Chat with the DeepSeek R1. By now, you already installed DeepSeek. You have several ways to interact with the chatbot. Options including A. Direct chat over command prompt, the simplest way to test your chatbot, but it is not user-friendly at all. B. Chrome extension Page Assist. If you're using Google Chrome, install the Page Assist extension to integrate DeepSeek seamlessly into your browsing experience. C. Client application. For a more user-friendly experience, you can choose Chatbox AI. It's compatible with many cutting-edge AI models and API. D. For advanced usage, you can choose to set up OpenWebUI or Pinocchio. Stephen will cover that in the next video, so stay tuned for that. I will pass the stage back to Stephen to show you the demonstration.
Thanks Kay. Before I roll up my sleeve to start the demo, as this is my first video, I want to give you a brief intro on my channel, AI Printify. I'm so excited to have you here as I take my first steps into something I've been curious about for a while. Building a local AI model. Full disclosure, I'm a total beginner at this, so I'm learning as I go. If I make any mistakes along the way, please bear with me. And feel free to gently correct me in the comments. This is a journey we're taking together, and I'd love for this to be a space where we can all learn and grow. So please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. So why am I doing this? Well, there are 3 main reasons. First, I want to own my personal AI model. No restrictions, no internet dependency, and no extra charges. Second, I want to build a series of models to support my 3D printing hobby. Imagine AI helping me design 3D models. How cool is that? Last but not least, I want to share my journey with you. The ups, the downs, the lessons learned, everything. This is all new to me. So if you've been down this road before or know a better way to do something, please share your wisdom in the comments. Let's build this knowledge together. Alright, let's talk what I have to build this dream. My hardware, I recently got myself a Lenovo Legion Pro 5 Gen 9. It's powered by an Intel i9 32GB of DDR5 RAM and RTX 4070 with 8GB of VRAM. I'm hoping this little monster can handle what I'm about to throw at it. You've probably noticed something fascinating about some AI use cases. In fact, I've used multiple AI techniques to create this very first video. From text to text for scripting, to text to image for generating pictures, image to video for visuals, and even text to speech with lip sync for my avatar. AI made it all possible. And this is just the beginning. Eventually, I want to push the boundaries even further, using AI to help me design 3D models for my 3D printing projects. How cool would that be? But before we get there, we have to start somewhere. And that somewhere is right here, right now. Now I'm going to demo the exact steps to set up DeepSeek R1. Step 1 to download and install NVIDIA Cuda Toolkit. Go to developer.nvidia.com Cuda downloads. I'll share all the URL links below. Select your operating systems. In mine is Windows, architecture x86-64, and version is 11 and installer type is local, then click download. In my Cuda version is 12.8, but a newer version may be available when you are downloading. After download is completed, then proceed with the installation. Click Next, Next, and wait for it to complete. You know the drill. Step 2. Download and install Ollama Transformer. Go to ollama.com. Click Download, then select Windows, and download the installer for Windows. Run the installer with the default path. The drill is applied. Open the Models section. Type DeepSeek in the search bar and select DeepSeek R1. Scroll down to view the installation commands and copy Ollama Run DeepSeek R1 37B. Now open a Windows command prompt, paste the command and hit enter while we are waiting the installation progress. Let me explain why I picked the 7B variant of DeepSeek R1. It's a distilled model, was fine-tuned on 800K synthetic data points generated by the primary R1 model. This approach balances performance and resource efficiency, making advanced reasoning accessible with reduced computational demands, particular good fit to AGB VRAM. Actually, I did test AB and some other models as well. Alright, once the installation is completed, it automatically starts the chat prompt. Let's start with a question. Who are you? Greetings. I'm DeepSeek R1, an AI assistant created by DeepSeek. I'm at your service and would be delighted to assist you with any inquiries or tasks you may have. Not bad. And this question DeepSeek didn't require to think. How about which version? Okay, this time DeepSeek is thinking. An interesting thinking, for it considers about my intention about knowledge cut off or the ability to download files. But the final response is similar to last question except added. If you'd like to know more about me, feel free to ask. Now you have the feeling on what is the command prompt chatting. To quit the chat, press Ctrl D. To check which model is active, type Ollama PS. It shows the active model DeepSeek R1 7B, the size is 6GB. The processor usage is 53% on CPU and 47% on GPU. It also lists all the active models. By now, you've already completed the 3 simple steps to build and chat with your local AI chatbot. Pretty straightforward, right? But I've got a few more cool options for you to explore and make your chatbot experience even better. Here is how you can set it up. Open Google Chrome and click on these 3 dots. Locate extensions and select the Visit Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Page Assist, select, and then just click on this Add to Chrome, Add Extension. Start the Page Assist. You already see that the Ollama is running, but the models still haven't selected, so you need to select the models. I select DeepSeek R1 8B. Let's look at the chat history. So in here, it will show where past interactions are saved. And there's also a temporary chat. This is for one-off tasks. Let's take a quick look on the setting. I would like to highlight few things. Manage web page is down here. Then you can select your preferred engines. I select Google and then click Save. And then go down to text to speech setting. If you want to have the voice speak to you, then you can enable this. If you have 11 Labs account, then you can select and add your API key. But if you don't, then use the standard one. Select your preferred voice. So here I select Microsoft Mark English. If you want, you can enable SSML and then click Save. And then we go up to here. Now go to RAG setting. As later, I'm going to show you chat with my personal knowledge. Then I will select the DeepSeek R1 here, and then in here here, the config RAG prompt give me the answer based on my knowledge. I need to click save, and then we go to manage knowledge. We need to add new knowledge and drag my favorite document. This document is like this. My favorite technologies are AI trending and 3D printing. Once submit, my new knowledge is added. Now we go to manage models. In here, you can delete the existing installed AI models or add new models by typing the exact model name and then pull models. Let's start the new chat. Let me start with what is my favorite. So the response is, I'm not able to determine your personal preference or favorite. Yeah, that's right, because it didn't really assess my knowledge. Then in here, select my knowledge and then ask again. Okay, this time it read my knowledge. Then it showed that AI and 3D printing is my favorite. Now it know about my favorite is AI and 3D printings. Articles you want to summarize, let's say I highlight here to here and then right click and then go to page assist. In here you have 6 options. Open side panel to check, summarize, explain, rephrase, translate, custom. So I want to summarize this part of the message, then check with the current page. Once I click it, it is summarizing the content. Remember we set the text to speech, so now let me show you. Click here, read out loud.
OpenAI emphasizes the transformative potential of AI, akin to historical innovations.
Yeah, you know how it works now. Let me show you one more example. Reading text from image. Before we can extract text from an image, you need to go down to here and then enable it. Then you can pull an image. So I have an old receipt. Let's ask how much I spent. Take a look on the receipt. I spent $63.91. That's right, it showed $63.91. This is great for reading text from photo or scanned documents. Alright, that's it for Page Assist. It is more user-friendly. I just demonstrate few use cases. Another option is Chatbox AI. It's a client applications and smart assistant. Go to chatboxai.app page. Click free downloads for Windows. Once downloads complete, let's start the installations. Next, install, finish. For first-time access, select use my own API key or local model. The beauty of Chatbox, it allows you to set up each of the AI model providers. But for us, we select Ollama API and then select the models. So we select DeepSeek R1, click on Advanced. Maximum message count in context set to low limit. For temperature, it means randomness and creativity. So just keep it 0.7 and then go up to select display. In here, enable show message word count, show message token count, token usage, model name, and also timestamp. And then go to chat. In here, you can set up your own avatar and also the assistant avatar. You can change the new conversation default prompt. You are a helpful assistant. It's good enough. You can modify the rest of the setting and then go to advanced. One thing I want to highlight is data backup and restore. You may want to back up your API key and license and then click save. I have a couple of use case found that Chatbox AI are better than Page Assist. So let's start with programming. You are a skillful developer proficient in HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and all these technologies. Example is write a snake game. So it generates the code all the way to here. And this is the uniqueness comparing to Page Assist. If Page Assist generate a code, it won't be able to preview. But in here, allow you to preview and we can click this to enlarge it. Then you can start to interact with the game. First version is without the start key, without score, without restart buttons. Let's scroll down to see what's the improvement. So please make the following improvement. Add directional buttons, add a score systems, add start game, restart game. So it also explains about what kind of features improved. Let's preview. So now you can see that it gives you the start and then it looks much better. Let's crash it. Okay, now it's better. it gives you a restart. Okay, let's start a new chat. For this example, I would like to analyze some data. I have a CSV file with sales data, include date, quantity, and price. Attach a file here. Please analyze the data and give me a data-driven result and recommendations. Submit. It reads the file and analyzing the data line by line. It sums total quantity sold by item and compares the total sales revenue. Interesting enough, all the numbers are covered inside the thinking instead of present in the final response, but it showcases how you can use Chatbox AI to analyze file. So that's it for the Chatbox AI. While Page Assist is a browser extension, integrates nicely with web browsing experience. Chatbox AI is a client application. It can stand alone as a versatile AI tool for diverse needs. It supports more AI model providers comparing to Page Assist, but both tools offer powerful AI capabilities while maintaining user privacy. Now you have 3 options under your sleeve. Go ahead to test them. Tell me which one you prefer in the comment. If you find something useful, please throw a like to give me a boost and encouragement. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Please do let me know what do you want to see. I will cover Open Web UI and Pinocchio in the next video. Stay tuned. Thank you for your time. See you in next one.